When you purchase livestock privately, or if you've moved stock between properties with different PICs, you'll need to complete this movement on the NLIS database. This how-to demonstrates the process to transfer electronically tagged livestock onto or off a PIC by uploading a file with details after a physical movement of stock has occurred. Let's find out how to. Once logged into the database, select the species you'll be working with today and then scroll to the Notify the Database Of section and select Livestock Moved Off My Property or Livestock Moved Onto My Property. Click Go. Click Upload a File. Then click Choose File. A pop-up window will appear for you to browse the files on your computer to locate the .csv file that you've prepared with the details to be transferred. The file you have previously prepared should have 5 columns of data: the NLIS ID or the RFID details of the livestock that have been moved, the source PIC, the destination PIC, the NVD number, and the date the stock movement occurred. Take note of the formatting, as the database will only accept information if it can be accurately read. Once you've navigated the file's location, select the file by clicking once and click Open. Now, with your file's name visible in the box, click Continue. The database provides an opportunity to check that you've uploaded the correct file. If not, click Back to upload a different file. If it's correct, then click Send to submit the information to the database. You'll receive a confirmation message on screen with an Upload ID. To ensure the transfer was received by the database, click View My Transaction History to check the status of your Upload ID is marked as complete. If another status is shown, you'll need to read the generated email for specific details of the outcome. The ISC customer service team can assist to action any warning or error outcomes. That's it. You've just moved livestock onto or off your property using the file upload method. By keeping your records up to date, you help to ensure the strength of Australia's red meat integrity system so that our industry can stand by what it sells. For more how-to guides, visit www.integritysystems.com.au.